I greet you in Jesus' precious name. It is Thursday morning, the 21st of May, 2026, and this is your friend, Angus Buchan, with a thought for the day. We go to the book of Acts, chapter 19, verse 11. Now God worked unusual miracles by the hands of Paul, so that even handkerchiefs or aprons were brought from his body to the sick, and the diseases left them, and the evil spirits went out of them. Oh, I want to ask you a question today. Do you believe in miracles? I really do, and I've seen too many of them to doubt the hand of God. I looked up the Oxford Dictionary to get the definition of the word miracle, and this is what it says. A miracle is a welcome event that is so extraordinary that it is thought to be the work of God or a saint. It is a wonder. It is a marvel. It is unbelievable. Now, I want to tell you about another miracle that happened in my life. Many years ago, there was a farmer. His name is Job. He was going through a terrible drought in the northwest of our country. And he reached out and said, please pray, we need rain. My boreholes are drying up. We don't have enough water. And he had a dairy farm. And his cows were really battling. No food, no water. So we flew up to the farm. And before we went up there, I had read the account of Elisha and the salt. If we look at 2 Kings chapter 2, and this is what it says. So the water remains healed to this day according to the word of Elisha, which he spoke. So I took a bag of coarse salt with us, about 5 kilos, and we flew up in the aeroplane. I got to his farm. I wanted to know where is his main borehole, and I walked up and all the staff got around. We poured the coarse salt down into the borehole and we prayed a prayer. Well, it wasn't a week later. We got a report that there was a flood in that area. There was so much rain that it actually washed the road away. God answered prayer. I've been to that very spring which Elisha poured the salt into the bitter water, and I can tell you it is sweet even to this day. Please do not limit God. Jesus bless you and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.